of your own movie? Or is somebody else or something else dictating the way your life unfolds? Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware and welcome to the day 19 of the 22 days challenge to raise your vibration with me. Remember that we all live in a vibrational universe and all things are managed by the law of attraction. And you get what you think about whether you want it or not. Because whenever you're offering a vibrational frequency to someone or something, whether you want it or not, it will come to you. So it is safe to say that the universe is responding to the vibrational frequency that you are giving out. It is all about thoughts you think and the way you feel. So we have to be very, very careful of what we are thinking because that leads to the way we feel. So it's all here, right here. And today's process is called the virtual reality. It is not about fixing something that is there or not there in your life. It is where you deliberately activate a scene in your mind, that of a vibrational frequency of that you want in your life. So if you want good feeling experiences, things, people in your mind, you want to activate a good feeling scene in your mind, and therefore you are the director of your own life, which is what I said in the beginning of this video. You're going to play some scenes. That is the virtual reality process that is going to raise your frequency and allow those frequency experiences to come into your experience. Isn't that amazing? Most people are offering a vibrational frequency in response to people, things, scenarios, situations. But the idea here is to create a vibrational frequency by thinking of a virtual reality and therefore inviting those experiences, those people, those situations into your life. And therefore, you have to be creative, imaginative. If you're going to imagine the same things in your life, like okay, next day, same thing, same person, same situation, same people, same scenario. Life is going to be the same forever, right? You are going to be imaginative, creative when you are going to create your virtual reality. And therefore, a shift in your mundane life from what it is right now to something new, something big, something more expansive, something better. There are 3 steps to manifesting. The first step is ask. Ask and it is given. The name of the book, as I mentioned in my day 0 video that I'm referring to create this content, is ask. The universe shall respond. And that's the step 2. Universe will respond to your ask. It's the universe's job. You don't have to do anything. You just have to ask. But the step 3, which most of us fail to understand and fail to apply, is allow. How do we allow what we are asking for in the first place? By raising our frequency. It's like driving a motor at the speed of 240 kilometers per hour, like asking this, asking that, yes, and knowing that the universe is going to respond to your request. But when you are driving so fast, there is this tree which is right there in front of you, and bam, you crash. That's the tree which blocks you from allowing the universe, allowing you to receive from the universe. That tree is you not vibrating at the frequency of receiving. It's like having a doubt or entertaining negative feelings like anger, jealousy, remorse, complaining, criticizing, and all that takes you down. And all this is that tree that comes in your way to actually flying through and receiving what you have asked for in the first place. So this allowing, that is step 3, is what we're going to focus on by creating a virtual scene in your mind as if you're living the life, as if you're receiving and experiencing what you have asked for. To begin this process and to be the director of your movie, you have to decide where you are, who you are with, what are you doing. Choose a location that feels really good to you. It could be any place that you may have heard of, seen, visited, or imagined. Is it indoors? Is it outdoors? What time of the day is it? Is it morning? Is it afternoon, evening, late evening? Is the sun just coming up or going down? Is it broad daylight? What does the air feel like? What's the temperature? How you dress? Who else is there? Choose a feeling that feels really, really good to you. It does not matter if you're with someone or by yourself. What really is important is feel amazing. What kind of a mood are you in? Are you laughing? Are you contemplating? Are you meditating? Once you have that scene set in your mind, imagine what you might say to yourself or to the other if you have someone around you. The whole purpose of this virtual reality process is to cause yourselves to activate the vibrations of well-being within you, so that you step into the step 3, which is that of allowing the universe to shower its blessings upon you for what you have asked for in the first place in step 1. Simple, isn't it? Now, while you're imagining, you're not going to imagine a leaky roof, right? Imagine yourself in a house and a leaky roof and you're going to go fix it. No, you're not going to imagine anything where you are supposed to fix something or someone. You're going to imagine a place, a situation, a set of people that make you feel amazing, beautiful, joyous up there. Yeah? No doubt, not an iota of wanting to fix something or make something better, right? So as the author of the book, Ask and It's Given, Esther Hicks, says that when she creates her virtual reality, she creates it, gets herself to feel really there at a high vibrational frequency and quickly gets out of the scene once she is there. Why does she do that? It's because the more she is now entering and getting into the zone of the virtual reality, the more her analytical mind, the logical mind starts playing in, starts kicking in, and she feels like she needs to fix this or she can work this out better, and that is the phase she gets into. So she is quick to get out of that high frequency so that she can then carry on with the rest of the day. You can do this any time of the day. You can do this lying down, standing, walking, sleeping, meditating, anytime, anywhere. How beautiful and powerful this tool is, or virtual reality. Snapping out of the low frequency, instantly creating the virtual reality of how you will be, where you will be, and what you will be feeling when you are in that space, and then moving on forward with that frequency. Because remember, the universe only understands how we are feeling. It doesn't understand what you are thinking. It understands what you're feeling. So therefore, think all the amazing thoughts and create that amazing feeling and watch the magic unfold. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have, please like the button and let me know in the comment box below what you've learned through this virtual reality creation, expanding over imagination and getting into a zone and space where we are feeling amazing. And when we are, it's not the past or the future. We are already when we have created that virtual reality. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon to know every time I post a new video with amazing, beautiful, powerful, valuable content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you very, very much. Mwah.